Hello, Dr. Manny here from Metro Family Chiropractic. A question I get asked at the clinic quite often is what can I do after receiving my chiropractic adjustments? And the answer to that question is think a little bit about adjustments as a reset mechanism. After getting those adjustments, the spine is still getting used to being in that better position. So after adjustments, simply I would do things like cardio, simple stretches, light weights, those are all fine. If you're gonna go try and lift heavy weights or set that PR in the gym, maybe we would hold at least 24 hours or so on that so things can settle a little bit and then you have that best chance to excel. Hope you found that tip helpful. Have an awesome day and take care.